Hello! Let's learn simple English together.
Hi, do you need medicine? Do you go to the pharmacy? Today, you will learn easy English for the pharmacy. Let's start. Hello everyone, I'm Ricky.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to learn with you today.
Perfect. Today, we will learn 5 important phrases. Number 1, I need something for. Number 2, do you have anything for? Number 3, I have a headache. Number 4, how often should I take it? And number 5, thank you, how much is it?
Great! I'm ready to learn.
Let's start. Now, listen to this conversation. Emma is the customer. I am the pharmacist. Listen carefully.
Hello, I need something for a headache.
Sure. Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't.
Okay, I recommend this medicine.
How often should I take it?
Please read the instructions. Talk to a doctor if it's serious.
Are there any side effects?
It can make you sleepy. Please read the label.
Okay, thank you. How much is it?
It's $10.
Here you go.
Thank you. Feel better soon.
Thank you.
Good. Now listen again, this time slowly. Emma will say each line and you repeat after her. Hello.
Hello.
Now you. I need something for a headache.
I need something for a headache.
Now you. Sure.
Sure.
Now you. Do you have any allergies?
Do you have any allergies?
Now you. No, I don't.
No, I don't.
Now you. Okay, I recommend this medicine.
Okay, I recommend this medicine.
Now you. How often should I take it?
How often should I take it?
Now you. Please read the instructions.
Please read the instructions.
Now you. Talk to a doctor if it's serious.
Talk to a doctor if it's serious.
Now you. Are there any side effects?
Are there any side effects?
Now you. It can make you sleepy.
It can make you sleepy.
Now you. Please read the label.
Please read the label.
Now you. Okay, thank you. How much is it?
Okay, thank you. How much is it?
Now you. It's $10.
It's $10.
Now you. Here you go.
Here you go.
Now you. Thank you. Feel better soon.
Thank you. Feel better soon.
Now you. Perfect, Emma.
Thank you, Ricky.
Great job, everyone. Now let's study the key phrases. Emma, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Phrase 1. I need something for. Our first phrase is, I need something for. This phrase tells the pharmacist your problem. I need something for means, I want medicine for this problem. You can also say, do you have medicine for? Can you help me? I have. Emma, can you give us 2 examples?
Sure. I need something for a cough. I need something for a cold.
Perfect. Phrase 2. Do you have anything for? Next phrase is, do you have anything for? This is another way to ask for medicine. Do you have anything for means, do you sell medicine for this? You can also say, do you have something for? What do you have for? Emma, give us 2 examples.
Okay. Do you have anything for a sore throat? Do you have anything for allergies?
Excellent. Phrase 3. I have a headache. This phrase tells the pharmacist your symptom. I have a headache means my head hurts. You can also say, my head hurts. I feel pain in my head. Emma, what are other symptoms you can say?
I have a stomach ache. I have a fever.
Very good. Phrase 4. How often should I take it? This phrase asks about how to use the medicine. How often should I take it means how many times per day. You can also say, when should I take this? How do I use this? The pharmacist will say, please read the instructions, or follow the label.
That's very important.
Yes, always read the instructions. Phrase 5. Are there any side effects? This phrase asks if the medicine can cause problems. Side effects means bad things that can happen. You can also say, is this medicine safe? Will this make me sleepy? Emma, can you ask me about side effects?
Are there any side effects for this medicine? Are there any side effects for this medicine? Can I take this with food?
Perfect questions. Phrase 6. Thank you. How much is it? Always ask the price. How much is it means, what is the price? You can also say, what's the price? How much do I pay?
How much is this medicine?
Great.
Perfect. Now let's practice together. Emma and I will say each sentence, then you repeat.
Ready? Let's go.
Number 1. Hello, I need something for a headache.
Hello, I need something for a headache.
Now you repeat. One more time. Hello, I need something for a headache.
Hello, I need something for a headache.
Number 2. Do you have anything for a cough?
Do you have anything for a cough?
Again, do you have anything for a cough?
Do you have anything for a cough?
Number 3. I have a sore throat.
I have a sore throat.
Again, I have a sore throat.
I have a sore throat.
Number 4. Do you have any allergies?
Do you have any allergies?
Again, do you have any allergies?
Do you have any allergies?
Number 5. No, I don't.
No, I don't.
Again, no, I don't.
No, I don't.
Number 6. How often should I take it?
How often should I take it?
Again, how often should I take it?
How often should I take it?
Number 7. Please read the instructions.
Please read the instructions.
Again, please read the instructions.
Please read the instructions.
Number 8. Are there any side effects?
Are there any side effects?
Again, are there any side effects?
Are there any side effects?
Number 9. How much is it?
How much is it?
Again, how much is it?
How much is it?
Number 10. Thank you. Feel better soon.
Thank you. Feel better soon.
Again, thank you. Feel better soon.
Thank you. Feel better soon.
Excellent work, everyone.
You're doing great.
Now let's practice 3 real situations. Emma and I will do the role play. Listen and learn.
I'm excited.
Situation 1. Emma has a headache. I'm the pharmacist. Listen.
Hello, I need something for a headache.
Sure. Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't.
Okay, I recommend this medicine.
How often should I take it?
Please read the instructions on the box.
Thank you. How much is it?
It's $8. Good job, Emma. Situation 2. Emma has a sore throat. Let's practice.
Hello, I have a sore throat.
I see. Do you have a fever?
No, just a sore throat.
Okay, try these throat lozenges.
Are there any side effects?
No side effects. They are safe.
Great. How much is it?
It's $5. Perfect. Situation 3. Emma has allergies. I'm the pharmacist.
Excuse me, do you have anything for allergies?
Yes. Do you have allergies to any medicine?
No, I don't.
Good. I recommend this allergy medicine.
Will this make me sleepy?
It might. Please read the label.
Okay, thank you. How much is it?
It's $12. Excellent, Emma. You did great.
Thank you. This is very useful.
Now let's test your English. 6 questions. Emma, are you ready?
Yes, let's do it.
Question 1. You have a headache. What do you say? A. I need a sandwich. B. I need something for a headache. C. I need a book.
I think it's B.
Correct. The answer is B. I need something for a headache. Question 2. The pharmacist asks, do you have any allergies? You don't. What do you say? A. Yes, I do. B. No, I don't. C. Maybe.
That's easy. B.
Perfect. The answer is B. No, I don't. Question 3. You want to know the price. What do you say? A. How are you? B. Where is it? C. How much is it?
It's C.
Yes, the answer is C. How much is it? Question 4. You want to ask about side effects. What do you say? A. Are there any side effects? B. Do you like this? C. Is this expensive?
A.
Excellent. The answer is A. Are there any side effects? Question 5. You want medicine for a cough. What do you say? A. I need something for a headache. B. Do you have anything for a cough? C. I want coffee.
B.
Correct. The answer is B. Do you have anything for a cough? Question 6. The pharmacist says, feel better soon. What do you say? A. Goodbye. B. Thank you. C. See you tomorrow.
I think B.
Perfect. The answer is B. Thank you. You can also say goodbye or both.
I got them all right.
You did amazing. Wow. Great job today, everyone.
Now I can speak English at the pharmacy. This was so helpful.
Remember these important phrases. I need something for. How much is it? Are there any side effects?
Practice every day.
Now, please help us. Write one sentence in English in the comments. Try this. I need something for a headache.
Yes, we want to read your comments.
And don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell for more easy English lessons.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
See you in the next video.
Bye-bye.